Hello, people. Okay, so this is take 4 of this video. I apologize for not posting yesterday, but I'm doing it right now. So basically, this video we're gonna talk about the update and what the heck is going on with this game. Because honestly, nobody even knows at this point. But we're gonna go with some update ideas as well for next update. So let's freaking go. Okay, so this update is pretty cool because I like the pets. Um, so this is our old pet, and then we have 2 goldens, almost 3. So the stats on my level 27 and stats on the 20. This is my worst pet, and I can't wait to get rid of it because the crowns suck. And yeah, nothing too much. I want to get a void one just to, I don't know. I know I'm not going to be able to use it, but that's okay. I do 30.2 T per swing, um, which isn't too good, but I mean, it's not too bad. I get a lot from the boss, though. Like, for real. Let's just kill this boss, because I don't have anything better to do. While we're killing this boss, basically what happened this update was new sabers, new pets. Basically, that's it. And a detective class. That's basically it. No, not even new DNAs, for God's sake. Throbbins, or however you say his name, he doesn't have infinite game pass. I don't know how he's a Baron if you can't even get over 200 something QT strength. Um, and yeah, so that's pretty sad, to be honest, but not surprising. Um, So what's happening on Roblox and what might affect our future videos? So, about like everyone is being banned because of auto clickers, and it started with the worst people possible, Opa, and then Ajax, and then now it's ZK Vouch, and now 100 people are being banned. Even though the real people who should be banned is exploiters, because they said that auto-clickers are allowed, just not macros. So, I don't know what to deal with that, but another thing is that, if I ever get banned, because I use an auto-clicker, I'm going straight to Blade Throwing Simulator, because it is 10 times better than this game. But I just don't want to quit it because I already spent so much Robux on this game. And it's still a pretty decent game. And I'm really close to getting on leaderboards, so. And I made so much progress in the game. Um, and in Robosoft's video that was posted like yesterday or something, um, oh yeah, so he was talking to Henry Dev himself, and Robosoft was talking about how he was gonna bring a new feature into the game, and that's good, but honestly, he should have done that like every update, because like there's so many suggestions from the Saber Sim community, but they're just not even caring about our opinions and stuff. Like, I don't even think they want people to play their game so you can stop updating it. because, like, who likes their game but puts minimal effort on updates and bans people for no reason? Like, they banned them probably not because of auto clickers. Well, they probably made that an excuse. But honestly, it's probably just because they are the most popular. And so I think if they ban them, then the viewers will play whatever they play. But that's just my conspiracy. And yeah. But I don't know what that feature is, but I have a few ideas. And most of them are Game Pass ideas. But they should add a Game Pass called pet cloning. And it's probably not the first time you've heard this. If you watch Saber Simulator videos a lot. But basically, um, pet cloning's when, like, if I were to get a shiny double moon pet, there could be a button where I can clone it only one time. So it's not like you can clone it like 100 times, because that would just be not fair. But you can clone it 1 or 2 times, I should say. But I would price this at like 1,500 Robux, because I don't know why a double saber is 1,500. It's like, it should be 1,000. Like, honestly, if I would pick which one would have 1,500 Robux for it, would probably be the Plus One Game Pass, because that's the most helpful one out of all Game Passes. Another one of my ideas is like 50% cheaper, where everything is 50% off, I should say. So like sabers are 50% off. Classes, DNAs, auras, skills, eggs, um, and even stuff in the shop. But I have another idea for that. They should add an event to where everything in the store is 50% off, so people can have a chance to buy game passes and stuff. I feel like that would be a really good idea. They always do that stuff on like candy canes or like a special currency. Sorry, my allergies are really bad. But yeah. Um Another, they should add pet trading. Honestly, like everyone's been asking for it for like a year, and every good game has it. The only downsides of it is that you'd be being begged for days, but that's pretty much the only bad thing. I mean, I would like it. I mean, I have a bunch of pets I don't want that are still pretty good. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Um, I'm tired, so I sound tired, I guess. And yeah, so yeah, that is the end of this video. Hooray. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Good